very, very busy, but we've managed to acquire the service and we're coupled on here tonight, so they're going to do a wee sketch for you. So, if they're ready to go out, wherever they're at. Are they ready to go out? Yeah. I think this wee sketch is called the phone call.
Jennifer.
You know, Rachel, when I was out feeding them flock of cows, I was wondering about our Wally John. How long's he in America now?
Now, let me see. He went away the morning after the 12th, 2 years ago. Oh, I'll never forget it. I wonder how he's getting on at all over there. You know what we'll do, Pat?
What?
We'll foam him up. Oh, it would be great to hear his voice again.
That woman,
I don't read so I miss him that much.
would you quit blurting? How another goodness would ring him up? Sure, none of us ever used a contraption like that before.
Well, you lift the handle.
Neighbour's woman is not going to hit you.
Hurry on a cat till I get that wee book done boy give us. It says here to dial 118243 for inquiries and 999 for fire, police and ambulance. I think we should try 118247 and see what happens. What do you think, Pat? You're stupid. You lift the handle and you put your fingers in them wee holes and you turn around.
Where's that number?
Right.
Very hurry, you know.
There.
1, 8, 2, 4, 7.
What's it doing, Pat?
Well, it's going beep, 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 beep. How long do you think this will go? Wait. Here's a boy now. He says he wants the number. What number would you like now? We've got the insurance number, we've got the business number, and we've got the herd number. Which one do you want? Well, you don't need it as a cheeky. He says he's looking the house number. Where would that be?
There's the number there in front of you, Pat.
But you can sure right. So it is. Hello, are you still there, the boy? Yet? Aye, I've got this number for you here. Salterstown 8080. Aye, 8080 if you want to be posh. What's the number I require? Well, I want to speak Clare Wally John in a place called America. You know that part of the world at all? It's a very big place. Aware of that, would you? But it's as big as Houston. Twice as big. Well, could you connect us up to Wally John? What's international inquiries? In London. Here, Rachel, take this and see if you can make any each out of that dirt on end.
Hello? Hello, my name's Rachel Murphy, and we're looking to speak to our Willie John. I'm through now. Oh, Pat, we're through now. Hello, Willie John. Is that you, son? Oh, it's great to hear your voice again, son. What? You're not Willie John. You're International Quarries
I don't care we're in Timbuktu, that other boy knows nothing.
Here, you give it me. I'm getting used to it now. You lost your head far too quick. Hello? Hello? Could you connect us to up to our Willie John? Do I know his number? Not at all, man, but sure, that's what you're there for. We know his street. Aye, it's 20, 30, 40, West 21st Street. Thanks. Oh, you're looking up to see if you can get the number. He's looking up the number now, Pat.
Never heard of many numbers in all my life. Here, give me that thing. I've settled myself again. Hello there, in that London. How are you? You've got the number and you're going to put us through. Boys, that's powerful. What's your name anyway? McMaster. Well, that's Carahay. That was a good one. We have a wee man in our band with the same name. Are you related to him at all? No, you're not. Well, tell me, you ever come to Ireland? No. Well, if you ever come, would you call in and see me and Rachel? Well, I'm just outside Ballarone in the townland of Salterstown. If you just come on to the airplane, if you're coming over and you just get off at Aldergrove and you ask any of them boys in them black taxis and they'll know Ballarone. And you just go out straight through Ballarone and head for Coke. And you come up along the shore road a couple of miles and you'll see a boy with a moustache outside a house shining up a car. That'll be Gordon Brayson. You ask him where Rachel and Pat Murphy live and he'll pick you straight to us. Everybody knows us. You'll be over there. Good man yourself. I'm through to America now, boys, and they're great. Hello? Hello? Is that you, Willie John? Is your dad speaking here?
Speak up, Pat. Sure, America's a brief bit away.
Shut up, Rachel. This is your dad speaking, Willie John. He says, hi, Pop.
Does he? That's American for how are you, Dad?
How's things going for you over there, son? He says, gee, Pop, things are swinging over here.
Here, give me that phone. I can understand this lingo better than you. Hello, this is your mother speaking, son. Oh, how are you, Willie John? Good. Tell us, who makes your meat for you and washes your drawers for you over there? Oh, your housekeeper. Dear me, you're better off than your dad and me. We can't even get a home help. Need them two double. Tell me this, son. Have you any news for us? Oh, you've got a girl. Well, that doesn't surprise me. Sure, you're that good looking. You take it after your father. He was good looking in his day, and he still is. Well, Willie John, I'll let you talk to your dad, and he'll tell you all the news. Guess what he's for doing now, Willie John? He's talking about going for the triathlon next year in Ballyronan. Well, he'll be there at what will he be at next? Here, speak to your dad.
Hello, Willie John. Hi. Me and John Hardy are running the roads every night practicing for this triathlon. Man, you should see John Hardy. He's just like a greyhound up that bottom road. No, we haven't started the swimming yet, but we'll know how we get on with that. What's that, Willie John? The farm? Well, we still have a wean of cows yet. And you're too, but there's nothing in anything now. Aye, we still have the wee Massey Ferguson, and she's going to have to go a brave while yet. Did you say you've a woman, Willie John? He says that she's the cutest little bird you ever did see. Mom, dear, a bird. Sure, if you were at home, you'd get a big, good strapping woman.
It's only his way of saying a woman, Pat. You know the way they say things funny in them countries.
You've got a funny way of talking since you were over there, son. What? He says he's got the love bug real bad. What sort of bugs would that be? Would that be something like mosquitoes or Loch Ness flies or something? He says he's got a real slick chick.
Here, give me it a minute. Here. Hello, Willie John, are you still there? Would you bring her over sometime till we get a look at her to see what she's like?
Give me the phone. Hi, Willie John. Sure, bring her over to the 12th next year. You and me can walk on the lodge, and your ma and this woman of yours can bring tea to the field. And you can give me a wee of tips for the triathlon. You'll come? Boys, that's powerful. Powerful. We'll see you next year.
Oh, Willie John, I can't wait to see you. But here, we better go. We'll be talking to you again soon, son. Whist, I think I hear John Hardy coming running up the lane. Him and your dad's heads our way about this old triathlon. Bye-bye now, Willie John. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Well, folks, that's the last item of the night, and I'm sure it was well worth waiting for. It was good crack. So, there's not a lot left to say except thank you again for coming. I wish you'd all stay home. I think we'll stand and sing the Queen before we go. Georgie, bring us in there. We start.
God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen. God save our Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save our Queen.
Good night, God bless, and stay home.